remember, it's heartbreaking to listen because these are parents whose daughter, the only child, was not only dead but was brutalized and murdered. Anupam Mishra joins me for the latest on this morning. Anupam, because we thought that we've heard all that there is to hear from the parents, and yet they reveal even more. Now, with the allegations coming in of money being taken, even though the accused was caught within hours, but the fact is that there was definitely an attempt of a cover-up.
Well, Pooja, we know that yesterday was the first time when parents and kin of the victim came to join the protest, and
yes,
after so many days. And yesterday they raised several questions which were raised earlier also, like they have raised that why they have been waited for 3 hours. They have been allowed to wait for 3 hours. They didn't allow to see their daughter, and the new allegation which came up yesterday was that one police officer offered bribe. So we have to understand whether it was the compensation package which was which the government offered to them through a police officer, or was it a bribe? So I think CBI will certainly consider these new allegations which came up yesterday by the parents of the victim, and they are already investigating the case. They have already interrogated several people, including Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal. They have also questioned so many police officers, especially the Tala police officers, which is the jurisdiction of the Arjikar hospital. So these are the new allegations which CBI certainly will have to investigate, because these are the very challenging kind of allegations which came up by parents of the victim.
Because while these are charges coming in from the parents, there's one clear fact, that there was definitely at least a delay when it came to informing them, making them to at least have a look at the body, and then to have the post-mortem and eventually the charges in the FIR. That definitely got delayed, and that's what has been a question raised on the police as well. But this is an ongoing investigation. Now, Anupam, I'll come back to in just a short while. But what happened yesterday was very significant. Like Anupam is telling us, that parents of the victim, of the deceased, joined in the protest. There was a Reclaim the Night protest in Kolkata. What was that about? People switched off lights at their home, institutions, organizations, even the governor, C.V. Ananda Bose, supported. And then these people, women and men, young and old, came out on the streets, candles in their hand. There was symbolism in it. And the symbolism was, they will not let the incident be forgotten. They will come out, and that the roads and the streets of Kolkata have to be safe for one and all. These are some of the visuals coming in. From that, let's take a look at the ground report sent in to us by Suryagini Roy yesterday night.
Right now, and hundreds of people have gathered at the iconic Sham Bazar 5-point crossing, which houses the statue of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. And here, hundreds of people have come out with placards of "We Want Justice" in their hands, with the national flags, and they are protesting over here peacefully, thankfully. That's what we are seeing. Hundreds of people, men, women, aged, children, everyone with a placard in their hands, with candles in their hands, with the tricolor in their hands. With camera person Prabir Biswas, this is Suryagini Roy for India Today, Kolkata.
हम इससे थोड़ा आशाहत तो हुए हैं, लेकिन पूरे बंगाल सुप्रीम कोर्ट के ऊपर नजरें टिकाई हुई है, क्योंकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट का ये जजमेंट आगे आने वाले समय में बहुत कुछ तय करेगा। बंगाल के लोग आशंका में भी है, क्योंकि इससे पहले भी हमने देखा है सुप्रीम कोर्ट में भारी भरकम लॉयर, कपिल सिब्बल जैसे लॉयर, जिनको ममता बनर्जी करोड़ों रुपया देकर अपने पक्ष में खड़े करते हैं, उनके भारीपन के कारण जस्टिस थोड़ा डिले हो जाता है। तो जस्टिस अगर डिले हो जाए या डिनाइड हो जाए, दोनों में ही जनता को दुख मिलेगा।
এই আন্দোলনের মাধ্যমে যেটা সবচেয়ে বেশি দরকার, সেটা হচ্ছে কি আর কারোর নাম যেন নির্ভয়া বা তিলোত্তমা না রাখতে হয়। এটা শুধু বাংলার বা অন্য রাজ্যের ইস্যু না, এটা আমার দেশের ইস্যু। এই কন্যাশ্রী বা রূপশ্রী বা বেটি বাঁচাও বেটি পড়াও কোনো মানে নেই যদি আমরা আমাদের দেশের বেটিদেরকে না বাঁচাতে পারি। আমার মনে হয় এক্ষুনি কেন্দ্র সরকারের অল পার্টি মিটিং ডাকা উচিত, অল সিএম মিটিং ডাকা উচিত। শুধু বাংলার বা পশ্চিমবঙ্গে বিধানসভা পাস হলো সেইটা যাতে নয়, এটা আমার মনে হয় কি দেশের সংবিধানে এটা নিয়ম আসা উচিত।
Anupam Mishra continues to be with us. Anupam, what was this Reclaim the Night with regard to the significance now? Because investigation is on, accused is arrested, more details have come. Why do you think people of Bengal decided to come out on the streets and in this manner, that we will switch off the lights and then we'll come out on the streets?
Well, Pooja, what we are witnessing in Bengal for the past 25 days is
Yes.
unprecedented. We haven't seen such a spontaneous protests in Bengal, and that was yesterday was the second Reclaim the Night protest. First Reclaim the Night protest happened on 14th of August, the night when Arjikar Hospital was vandalized, and that night also we have seen lakhs of people, especially women, coming on the streets and raising slogans and demanding justice. And yesterday was the second Reclaim the Night protest, which we have seen was very spontaneous, and I think this kind of protest, Mamata Banerjee, I also feel that Mamata Banerjee hasn't seen this kind of spontaneous protest in her 13th year of reign. So this is the kind of protest we are witnessing is very new to Calcutta, where people from their own coming out from the houses, hitting streets, lighting lamps, and demanding justice. So this is a kind of awakening which we are witnessing at present in Calcutta.
Anupam, keep tracking the latest on that and stay on with me now.